Okay lang. Saan niyo na-meet si Ate Terry?
Dito! The first time, pero she doesn't remember this. The first time was, I think 2004 na CYN camp sa Edmonton. We were roommates, pero alam ko hindi niyo natatandaan yun. But yeah, that was the first time.
1, 2, 3. Feb 2013.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Saan? Sa church?
Dito
Ako sa church, Sunday service. Nag-special number siya na. I am blessed.
Hindi, dito rin sa church, ano yun? Friday, mga 6:39. So, then Friday yun, yung may ano pa, CYN gathering dito. Yun, siya yung unang-unang, parang lumapit sa amin nun, na, hey guys, gano'n. Yung kahit di niya kami kilala.
Paano. Sa akin, natatandaan ko yung
Wala pa man.
nung sumali ko sa
Hindi na.
Nung nag-join ako sa music yata, kinausap ko si Pastor George. And then nag-practice sila, 2014 yun for sure. And then, nakilala ko ni Pastor George sa kanya. And then, yun na.
2010 or 11, Summit Camp.
Ako siguro, noong 2012, I think ano yun joint type group. Hindi ko siya wala nakita.
Nung bago kaming dating, first time ko po mag-church, nagkamayan po kami. Nagpakilala po siya. Ako si Ate Terry. Yun lang.
Ako po nung 2012 yata. Ano yata yun joint life group rin. Tapos nag-worship siya na ito. Ay, sino yan? Taga-Ottawa pa.
Kami naman, we go way back ni Ate Terry. Matagal ko na siyang kilala. 2 years ago, yun, Night of Power, March 2015. Noong 2013, sa basketball, ng Warriors, doon siya nakakalala.
Siguro, getting to travel with her. Saan ba? The first time was actually yung sa Vegas. And then, yeah, places in the States. And nung, just last year, yeah, last year, Montreal, I guess. But yeah.
Ako for me, every time na nakakasama ko si Ate Terry, nagiging memorable. Kasi ang dami mong natututunan sa kanya. Every word na lalabas sa kanyang bibig. Parang ano, yung super natatagos sa puso mo. Kaya, yun, dahil natamaan niya yung puso ko, naging memorable na siya. Hindi ako niya.
Hindi ako, basta secret. Hindi, meron talaga, pero hindi ko siya masasabi kasi marami kong makakarinig. Pero recently lang siya nangyari. Alam na yung natin. Okay.
Sa akin, hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hindi ko talaga alam.
Kailangan niyo mag-react sa akin.
Hindi, siguro sa akin yung
Travel.
yung sobrang pagka every time na, for example, especially pagka LGL, pagka magtuturo na siya, may talagang anointed talaga eh. So, sobrang ikli na ituturo niya pero malaman talaga na alam mong sa bagay na yun talagang, hindi ko alam yun ba?
Same color.
Ako siguro, yung paglibre niya sa akin ng pagkain, yun, na-enjoy ko talaga yun.
Ako, memories namin ni Ate Terry. Yun lang, parang inaasar kami dati.
Na magkamukha kayo?
Hindi. Hawa ko na si Dylan, ganyan. Sabi ko, yun lang. Hindi, inaasar kami dati. Hindi, gusto daw, parang may gusto daw kay Ate Terry, kahit wala naman. Pero yun yung memories namin.
Nung birthday ko, tapos nilibre ako first time ni Ate.
We go way back. Dami namin experiences. There was one time she told me, if you touch the stove and you didn't get hurt, what's the purpose of pain? Thank you, Ate Terry. Siguro nung bumalik ako sa church noong 2016, NOP yun. Tapos pinag-pray niya ako. Tapos she like prophesied over me. Nakaka-bless.
Anointed. One words.
Marami. Grace.
For me, siguro strength.
Sa akin, wisdom.
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 Awesome.
Beautiful. Angelic.
Warrior.
Miracle. Answer. Worshipper.
Isa lang naman ang prayer namin sa kanila is, dumating na yung time na magkasama sila ni Ferdy. Kasi for the longest time, ang hirap ng LDR, pero they are still standing. And I pray na dumating na yung, alam ko darating na yung point na yun. And we will be, pamilati siya personally na we will be one of the persons na, one of the people na, ako nagkamali ako.
Pwede mo naman yun.
Okay lang. Na magiging masaya pag nagkasama sila. So we are looking forward for their wedding. And happy birthday.
Taas mo. Yeah.
I guess, thank you sa lahat what you did for me and for JE and for the CYN. We appreciate all that you've done, all your sacrifices, all your effort. And yeah, me and JE are praying for yung future nun ni Kuya Ferdy. And we're excited for you. We love you.
Yung mag-message! Bye-bye! Ate Ter, happy 26th birthday.
Give it to me.
I pray na may you continue to inspire people. Show them the grace of yung grace ni Jesus na naranasan mo na. And you are a blessing personally sa akin. Super. Yun lang. Well, you're not just a leader, a CYN head, and a servant, pero naging ate ka sa akin since the beginning, since Genesis. Sobrang naging masaya yung pagsaserve ko kasi since the beginning ng yes ko kay Lord, nandun ka. Sinusuportahan mo ako and pinag-pray mo lagi. And hanggang ngayon, nandito ka pa rin. And I just wanna thank you for being an ate sa akin, for always praying for me, and namimiss ka namin pag... Hindi, dito ka naman sa Winnipeg, pero mamimiss ka namin. Bye-bye!
Ate Terry. Hindi, Ate Terry, happy birthday. Nagpapasalamat. Hindi, nagpapasalamat talaga ako sa'yo. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil dumating ka sa buhay namin. Thank you so much, ate, dahil yun nga, sabi nga ni Day, super, hindi ka lang naging sister. Hindi ka lang naging friend, pero more than a friend ka pa, more than a sister ka pa sa amin. And ate, yung prayer ko lang is maging lagi kang masaya. Kung lang na sa lahat ng pagsubok na darating na always remember na nandito lang kami palagi na magpe-pray sa'yo, na kahit hindi mo sabihin, magpe-pray pa rin namin ikaw. And Grabe yung pasasalamat ko talaga kay Lord na dumating ka dito sa Winnipeg, ate. And hindi lang sa Winnipeg, pero pumasok ka sa mga puso namin. Maraming salamat kasi kahit... hindi, hindi, wala. Kahit hindi alam ng iba, pero yung tulong mo sa akin, Ate Terry, super grabe. Hindi ko alam kung wala ka. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Nandun ka nung okay ako, nandun ka nung malakas ako, and nandun ka rin nung mahina ako, tsaka nasa baba ako. Thank you so much, Ate Terry! Happy birthday, Ate Terry!
Oh my gosh.
Ate, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo today with us. Kasama ka namin ngayon. Yung mga tinuturo sa akin personally, yung mga ganyan. Super thank you sa buhay mo. And I believe that God will bless you more and more and more. And God bless you, Pastor Ferdy.
Ate Terry, what's up? I know you're looking at me right now, pero I just want to greet you happy birthday, Ate Terry. You know you're so blessed, and Ate Terry, like I pray that you bless more people with your life and don't stop pursuing God and just continue to walk on your faith, fighting the good fight of faith. And I just wish you all the best, and also continue to be strong. I know it's hard to be alone without your family here. I just wish you all the best. God bless.
Ate Terry!
Totoo yan.
Terry, I just wanna thank you for everything, for all your prayers. For all your prayers talaga, for never giving up. And, for always being there, being an ate, being a leader, being a servant. I just wanna thank you for everything talaga. I just wanna pray na God will continue to bless you, use you for the furtherance of His kingdom. I just wanna pray na for you and Pastor Ferdy na continue to grow with Christ. And just thankful for your life. I'm just very blessed. Yun lang.
Gusto ko lang po magpa-thank you po sa leadership niyo po. Isa ka pong inspiration, isa ka pong living talagang example of being a leader. And I just pray po na God will bless you more and more as you die to yourself more and more. And thank you po, not to us, but for the Lord, for saying yes sa calling po ni Lord. And bless ko po pag-pray ko po na as you grow closer with Christ, ganun din po yung pag-grow mo sa relationship with one another, sa amin po, especially po kay Pastor Ferdy. And yun lang po, gusto ko lang po magpa-thank you kasi talaga a word cannot express how much I'm thankful po sa leadership niyo po. And yun lang po, continue to be an inspiration for us. Yun lang po.
Ate Terry, maraming salamat sa pag-i-inspire po sa bawat isa sa amin. Narinig yun naman po, simula dito. Siguro pati rin ko. Isa kang napakalaking inspiration po sa amin. And maraming salamat for being you. And thank you talaga. God bless you more. And Pastor Ferdy and your family and Summer.
We just want to thank you for everything that you've done to CYN. You weren't here like back then. It was, what happened before, and thank God that God brought you here for a reason, for bringing back the CYN, the fire that we didn't have that much, but right now we're on fire. And
on fire?
fire. Thank you sa lahat. Happy 30th birthday.
31.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wala nang handa.
Last question, kailan niyo po unang nakalala si Ate Terry?
Nakilala namin siya nung pumunta sa rito sa Winnipeg. I think that's January 2013.
No, I think it was on a Sunday. I think so.
I don't remember.
I don't really. From the first week, she came here. And that was the first time I ever saw her, and ever. Sometimes, and that's the most memorable experience with her.
Halos lahat ng mga naman, memorable eh. Yung nag-request siya pumunta dito sa bahay bilang parang we consider her as Shasha's ate. So, parang naging memorable sa amin yan na nakasama namin siya dito sa bahay.
Memorable lahat yung time na na-spend namin sa kanya. One thing na nakita ko sa kanya is she's very persistent dun sa ginagawa niya.
The time when Ate Terry lived here, sometimes we would cook and bake together. Bonding. That was fun because I like cooking and baking. So that.
Next question po. One word po na nagde-describe kay Ate Terry.
Si Ferdy.
Servant leader siya. So, 2 words na.
7.
One word.
Blessing.
I just said worshiper because in everything that she does, no matter what she's doing, she always worships God in all of her actions, whether it's working or ministry. She always gives her all. And yeah, worshiper. Yeah, that's really it.
Follow your heart in serving the Lord, for I know and I believe na nakikita ko sa iyo yung servant leader. There's something in you na kumbaga naitanim. God has planted in your heart to go and further down your ministry. Na though when you came here ay iba yung pakay mo or motive mo when you came here, but along the way as you start serving the Lord here ay nabago yung heart mo, and I believe na God put that desire in your heart to serve Him more in your life. So be ready for the plan of God in your life.
Keep on the good work that God has started in your life. For He who began a good work in you will be able to complete it until the day of Christ, for He is faithful. And of course, always look unto God. And I believe that I can see in you that God is going to use you to change lives, more lives. Kung paano mo na-witness kung paano binago ng Diyos ang buhay ng daddy mo I believe God can use you as well na maraming buhay ang mababago through you at maraming mga buhay ang mapagpapala sa patuloy mong paglilingkod sa Diyos. And I believe that you will keep the good work, you will keep the sincerity in serving God, and most especially the faithfulness, ang ating core values, yung passionate love for God, and of course the love and compassion for others, and so on. So yun lang masasabi lang, just keep on, for God is always be with you. God bless you, and may you have more opportunity to serve God, and birthdays, blessed birthdays to come. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Take note, this is your last birthday na single ka, okay?
Happy birthday, Ate Terry!
Happy birthday! May naman
It's your last birthday being single!
You're gonna get married soon!
Married! Okay.
But
Happy birthday!
we hope you stay.
We hope you stay.
And thank you so much for everything.
Thank you. We love you! love you. These are for you.
Hey Terry, happy 26th birthday. I thank God for the past 20 years of friendship, that even though we're not talking as often as we used to, that we could still pick up where we've left off and be super comfortable with each other. And I look forward to the many more years to come. And I'm super excited for what God has in store for you this year. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Terry. I know that this year is going to be the craziest year yet. It's your grad year, but I'm just gonna share the quote that I've decided to live by this year, and that's, live a life so completely that when death comes like a thief in the night, there will be nothing left for him to steal. I pray that this year, every day, no matter how crazy life gets, you will get to live just like that. God bless you, and see you when you're here in Ottawa.
Oh, gulat ba kayo? Gulat din ako. Siyempre naman, kahit pagod na ako today, hindi ko makalimutan ng birthday ng nag-iisang nag-iisang sobrang close naman ito. Grabe talaga. Just wanna greet a happy birthday. Ay, wait lang. May ano ako. Production number. I would just like to present to you the Jam and Via, my backup singers. Okay, 3, 2, Maestro. Wow! Wala namang kinanta. So, a great happy birthday, Ate Terry. I wish and I pray na matupad mo lahat, showbiz, na matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo, ng mga gusto mong maabot, ng mga gusto mong makamit sa buhay. Hindi, sana, uy, kakasal ka na, Beshi. My gosh. Kwentuhan muna tayo. Kumuha ng una. Hindi, happy birthday, and I hope na huwag ka magbabago when pag kinasal ka na. And I hope you inspire more people in serving God, and also, you know, you've had made a huge impact sa CYN Winnipeg, and I hope in the future marami ka pang impact. Tapos yun lang. Baka umiyak ako eh. Text na lang kita. Yan, happy birthday, and God bless. Bye. Miss you. Uy, ba't di mo ako pinapansin lately? Galit yan sa Ate Terry. Oh, pa-cute. Ba't di mo ako pinapansin? Hindi ako nare-replyan yan. Ay nako, talaga naman. Pero okay lang. Ayan, bye-bye.
Hi Terry! Since you've become a very big part of our CYN, of our ministry here in Saskatchewan, talagang napalapit ang mga puso namin sa'yo. Especially ang mga CYNs ko, talagang tuwang-tuwa sila every time na nakikita ka. So, we would just like to greet you a
Blessed happy birthday, Ate Terry! From CYN Saskatchewan!
Ano ba? Di ba sabay-sabay ulo na?
Ay, ganun ba?
Ganito na.
On behalf of CYN Edmonton, we would like to greet you a blessed happy birthday, Ate Terry!
Happy birthday, Terry!
P.S. That zit is dedicated to you. A reminder of your acne days.
Hey, older Jessica.
Well, I didn't see you there. Man, Therese, we miss you. We love you. So
No, actually, wait. You have to like.
Hey anak, happy birthday! How are you? We miss you. When are you coming back home? I claim God's promise in Psalms 91 verse 16 that with long life I will satisfy you and I will show you my salvation. I wish you long and satisfied life. God bless you. Love you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Oh! Floor Therese Nagy Agpaon. It's nice to see you again. Happy birthday to you. And may God bless you more.
Hey, Ate. Bet you're surprised to see me here. Happy birthday. I really hope you have an amazing. You've had.
You have an amazing surprise.
Whoa! I didn't see you there. Happy birthday, Therese. You are older now. Hope to see you at home. Bye.